Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add music this on your Instagram story. So this is a pretty new feature on Instagram story where you can add music and also a rotating this on the story. So if you want to create one, you can just follow the steps right here. You can first click on the plus icon to open the Instagram story camera, this one, and then you can choose the photo that you want as the background. Here I'm going to find a background first. For example, I'm going to use this as the background. And now to have the music disc on Instagram story, you can just click on the music options at the top first and then choose your favorite music. For example, I'm going to add this music right here. So to change it into a rotating disc or the music disc, you can just swipe until the end and there will be this options and you'll see the rotating or the music disc. Here you can click on done and you can adjust the size of the music disc to how you like it and also put the position to anywhere you want. And if you want to, you can also add your dancing avatar into the music in here by clicking on the avatar icon at the top. Click on that and you'll have your avatar, your dancing avatar at the top of the music disc. Okay, if you want to change the music, you can click on the music at the top, the music stickers in here, this one. You can choose the songs that you want to, like this, and you can tap on done. Here, you can also adjust the position of the avatar and also the position of or the size of the music disc. And this will be the result for the music disc on Instagram story. So if you enjoy music and you want to create the stories, you can follow my step before by opening Instagram and then open your Instagram story camera and add the music and choose this music disc option. And that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. You can leave a comment if you have any question, and to keep support our channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.